Hey Rachel, it's Jenelle from Chicago, and this is my daughter Liberty and my son River. Liberty may only be 4 months old, but she has already portrayed over 30 women in history that have helped to shape society for what it is today. Inspiration struck when she was about 3.5 weeks old, and I looked down at her and she resembled a little mini Frida Kahlo, which is my favorite artist. Our second photo that we did was of Amelia Earhart. Another one would be Queen Elizabeth. And it was really fun for me once I began looking up women and researching them and deciding who I wanted Liberty to dress up as next. And with all of these iconic women that Liberty has been representing, we could not help but have her portray the one and only Rachael, another positively influential woman. I feel that this is a great positive way not only to share photos of my daughter, but to pay homage to these women that have helped us today.